Today we're taking one of the most beautiful drives on Earth, the Icefields Parkway. This stretch between Lake Louise and Jasper National Park is 144 miles of pure Canadian magic. Glaciers, turquoise lakes, towering peaks. Honestly, the scenery is so good it feels like cheating. We've got the cameras rolling, so buckle up and enjoy the ride.
First stop, Bow Lake, one of the largest lakes in Banff National Park and fed directly by Bow Glacier. Bow Lake sits right below Crowfoot Mountain, named because the glacier once looked like a crow's foot. Climate change has reshaped it, but the name stuck. This place is quiet, peaceful, and the perfect way to start the day.
Hey everyone, quick break from today's video. I wanted to let you know something special. Every photo that you've seen here today was captured by me, and if one of those shots caught your eye, you can actually own it by going to my new website, crotemeyerphoto.com. These aren't just pictures, they're moments from the natural world and beyond, the kind of scene that makes you stop, breathe, and remember why you love this place so much. Whether you want a framed print for your home, canvas for your office, or a gift for somebody special, every image is available in multiple sizes and finishes. Just check the link in the description below to browse the full gallery at crotemeyerphoto.com. You'll find the exact photos from this video, plus a ton of others that you haven't even seen yet. And when you order, you're supporting independent photography to help make more work like this possible. So, if something in this video speaks to you, go take a look. Your next favorite piece of wall art might already be waiting. Now, back to today's video. Up next, Peyto Lake. Before arriving at the lake, we have a short hike of about 1.6 miles for the full loop. This trail has 344 feet of elevation gain and typically takes 30 to 60 minutes.
Look at those mushrooms. I'm sure they're not deadly at all.
If Bow Lake is beautiful, Peyto Lake is straight up unreal. From above, it's shaped like a wolf's head, and the color is so bright it almost looks fake. This lake gets its electric turquoise color from glacial silt pouring in from Peyto Glacier. Fun fact: Peyto Lake is named after Bill Peyto, a legendary mountain guide and trapper known for his wild personality. He once walked into a bar with a live lynx under his arm, so yeah, he was one crazy cat.
As we keep heading north, the Icefields Parkway just keeps showing off. Every corner reveals another postcard view. Rivers twist through the valley, glaciers hanging off the mountains, and peaks that look like they were carved with a giant chisel. Our last lake stop is Waterfowl Lakes. These lakes sit right below Mount Chephren, which rises like a giant pyramid above the valley. It's quieter here. Fewer crowds, more space to breathe, just the sound of water and the wind. As we get closer to the Columbia Icefield, the mountains start to feel bigger, steeper, and older. This is one of the largest ice fields south of the Arctic Circle, feeding 8 major glaciers. And today, we're going to walk on one.
We are walking on Athabasca Glacier in Jasper National Park at the Columbia Icefields, and I am going to drink from this glacier water. All right, I'm gonna do like a push-up, I think. I thought I was gonna put my face in it. Oh. Okay, that's good. Yeah. It tastes like ice. It's all over my face.
Walking on the glacier is a surreal experience. The ice beneath us is thousands of years old, constantly shifting and cracking, and the water, some of the freshest on the planet. We had to try it. Cold, crisp, and unbelievably pure.
Stop it.
Told you I was gonna lick it.
And of course, I had to continue the tradition. If you saw our Alaska video, you know I got to lick Icefields Glacier. So naturally, I had to lick Athabasca Glacier too. It's basically a series now. I'm going to try to get some close-ups of the edge of the Athabasca Glacier where it meets the Columbia ice shelf, Columbia Icefield. We had to get a shot with the Canadian flag because, well, why wouldn't we? This is one of those bucket list moments. Getting off the ice the same way we got on, we hopped onto one of these massive six-wheeled ice explorer vehicles. They look like something NASA would use out on Mars.
After the glacier, we head to the Glacier Skywalk, a glass platform suspended 918 feet above the Sunwapta Valley. Walking out onto the glass is a little nerve-wracking at first, but the views are unreal.
Okay. All right, here I go. Oh, it shakes a little bit, doesn't it? Hi.
You can see waterfalls, cliffs, and even the glacier we just walked on. As the day winds down, we make our way north toward Jasper National Park. The sun dips behind the peaks, the road stretches ahead, and the Icefields Parkway gives us one last reminder of why this is one of the most beautiful drives in the world. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. Make sure to join us next time inside Jasper National Park. See you next time on Roadies Roam the World.